For testing, I've upgraded my project to Unity 2019.3 beta. I'm not going to commit this, at least not until the official release, but generally I like what I'm seeing here. I also like the more flat looking UI. And upgrading was pretty smooth. All I had to do was update the lightweight render pipeline in the package manager and everything seemed fine until I played game and I realized that none of the triggers were working. So the attacks aren't registering, the ledge grab isn't working either. This was happening because if I look at the ledge checker, for example, we're using this callback function called OnTriggerEnter. The problem with Unity 2019.3 beta is that they got rid of the events between triggers and triggers. So here is the ledge checker, which is a trigger, as you can see here, and the ledge is also a trigger. So in this beta, OnTriggerEnter is no longer working. There is a solution, which is if I turn the ledge into a non-trigger, it's now a physical object, and if I play, we now have the ledge grabbing working again. But the problem with this is that since the ledge checker or the ledge is now a physical object, the character box collider is now interacting with it. I think I'm going to work with layers to work around this, and we already have a system for setting up your default layers for your gameplay. So it's not too big of an issue, and there's a lot of things going on with 2019.3 beta. You can read more about it here on their homepage. But the fact that Unity simply decided to get rid of something that was working for many years, it just baffles me. It's those kind of corporate decisions that create more disgruntled users and eventually give a chance for other engines like Godot to come in and take their market share. That's just what I think, and I hope they put back trigger-to-trigger events before the official release for 2019.3. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.